Okay viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to present business communication chapter 5 question and answer program. As usual, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1: what is a primary purpose of public relations? A. To increase product sales. B. To identify, establish and maintain mutually beneficial relationship between an organization and its public. C. To manipulate public perception. D. To manage employees' relations. The answer for question number 1 is B. To identify, establish, maintain mutual beneficial relationship between an organization and its public. Question number 2: which of the following is a key function of public relations? A. Only responding to crisis. B. Controlling employees' actions. C. Managing problems or issues before they escalate. D. Ignoring public perception. The answer for question number 2 is C. Managing problems or issues before they escalate. Question number 3: what is the first step in strategic public relations management? A. Creating press release. B. Making a list of the organization stakeholders. C. Advertising the organization. D. Conducting media interview. The answer for question number 3 is B. Making a list of organization stakeholders. Question number 4: which principle of public relations states that organizations exist only by public consent? A. Principle of mutual benefit. B. Principle of two-way communication. C. Principle of public consent. D. Principle of trust. The answer for question number 4 is C. Principle of public consent. Question number 5: what is a key characteristic of an excellent public relations department? A. It uses manipulation to maintain reputation. B. It avoids public interaction. C. It scans the environment and predicts trends. D. It focuses only on internal communication. The answer for question number 5 is it scans the environment and predicts trends. Question number 6: how does two-way symmetrical communication benefits an organization? A. It helps organization ignore the public opinions. B. It allows for open dialogue between an organization and its public. C. It prevents negative news from spreading. D. It eliminates the need for research. The answer for question number 6 is B. It allows for open dialogue between an organization and its public. Question number 7: which public relation function focus on maintaining relationships with both internal and external stakeholders? A. Advertising. B. Publicity. C. Media relations. D. Community relations. The answer for question number 7 is community relations. Question number 8: what is the main goal of media relations in public relations? A. To manipulate journalists. B. To ensure only positive news in publish. C. To to build long-term positive relationship with the media. D. To replace traditional advertising. The answer for question number 8 is C. To build a long-term positive relationship with the media. Question number 9. Why is trust essential in public relations? A. It helps in short-term reputation management. B. It ensures long-term relationships with stakeholders. C. It allows organizations to control public perception. D. It prevents crisis from happening. The answer for question number 9 is B. It ensures long-term relationships with stakeholders. Question number 10. How does proactive public relations help an organization? A. By only responding to issues after they happen. B. By preventing crises and identifying opportunities in advance. C. By controlling the media narratives. D. By replacing customer service departments. The answer for question number 10 is B. By preventing crisis and identifying opportunities in advance. Question number 11. A company facing negative customer feedback online should A. Ignore the complaints. B. Respond professionally and address the concerns. D. Delete all negative comments. D. Stop using social media. The answer for question number 11 is B. Respond professionally and address the concern. Question number 12. If an organization wanted to strengthen a relationship with the community, which public relation strategy should it use? A. More internal meetings. B. Sponsorships and charitable contributions. C. Increasing product advertisements. D. Hiring more employees. The answer for question number 12 is B. Sponsorships and charitable contributions. Question number 13. A PR professional wants to increase public trust in their organization. What should they focus on? A. Exaggerating product benefits. B. Ensuring transparency in communication. C. Avoid media interaction. D. Ignoring customer feedback. The answer for question number 13 is B. Ensuring transparency in communication. Question number 14. If a company wanted to improve its public image after a crisis, what is the best approach? A. Issue an apology and take corrective actions. B. Blame the media for misreporting. C. Avoid addressing the issue publicly. D. Fire employees involving without explanation. The answer for question number 14 is A. Issue an apology and take corrective actions. Question number 15. Which public relation tactic is most effective in engaging a local community? A. Publish international press releases. B. Hosting local events and sponsorships. C. Increasing social media ads. D. Buying television commercials. The answer for question number 15 is B. Hosting local events and sponsorships. Question number 16. Why is clarity more important than cleverness in public relations? A. Clever messages often confuse the audience. B. It helps in manipulating public perception. C. It allows organization to hide negative information. D. It reduces the need for two-way communication. The answer for question number 16 is A. Clever message often confuses the audience. Question number 17. How does media relations act as a gatekeeper? A. By controlling which information reaches the public. B. By promoting only government message. C. By filtering only negative news. D. By reducing the public access to organizations. The answer for question number 17 is A. By controlling which information reaches the public. Question number 18. A company is considering a new PR campaign. Which factor is most important when evaluating its success? A company is considering a new PR campaign. Which factor is most important when evaluating its success? A. The number of press releases issued. B. The level of audience engagement and behavioral change. C. The amount of money spent. D. The total number of social media likes. The answer for question number 18, B. The level of audience engagement and behavioral change. Question number 19. A company wanted to build a strong relationship with journalists. Which strategy should they implement? A. Only send press release when necessary. B. Be transparent, build trust, and provide useful information consistently. C. Avoid talking to the media. D. Pay journalists to publish quality stories. The answer for question number 19 is B. Be transparent, build trust, and provide useful information consistently. Question number 20. You are designing a new PR strategy for an environmentally conscious company. What should prioritize? A. Using greenwashing technique to appear eco-friendly. B. Engaging in actual sustainable practice and transparently communicating them. C. Avoid sustainability discussions. D. Only focusing on cost-cutting measures. The answer for question number 20 is B. Engage in actual sustainable practice and transparently communicating them. This is all about chapter 5 PR. Thank you viewers for listening.